channel, still on number-based system. I believe you've been learning a lot from here. Let's learn how to add addition of base 2 numbers. Addition of base 2 numbers. With this idea, you can also add base 3 and base 4 and so on. So let's make it interactive. I'm asked to add 1, 0, 1, 1 in base 2 and 1, 0, 0, 1 in base 2 and 1, 1, 0, 1 in base 2. I want to make it longer so we can interact and know how it is. So, solution. I am to add 1, 0, 1, 1 in base 2, 1, 0, 0, 1 in base 2, 1, 1, 0, 1 in base 2. I will ask to add. Okay? Remember, you should not have a number equal to the base or greater than the base in your answer. So if you have that in mind, you always solve with that. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. You should not have 3 in base 2 because 3 is already greater than 2. But I don't want you to start cramming that 3 is 1 and 1 in base 2. Let's take this step. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Instead of me to write 3, you can go to your rough and say 3 divided by 2. You get 1 remainder 1. So this 1 comes here. Your remainder 1 comes here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. So if I say 2 divided by 2, I'll have 1 remainder 1. Sorry, 1 remainder 0. You have 1 remainder 0. So I have 1 remainder 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 0 is 1. Plus 1 is 2. Just like you have in the rough, 2 divided by 2, you have 1 remainder 0. Interesting, right? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. You can't have 4 in base 2, remember. So you go 4 divided by 2, you have 2 remainder 0. But remember, I can't write any of them 2 here, so I'll have, just like I did, 2 remainder 0. Now I can't bring down this 2 here because it's already in base 2. So you go back to where you had 2 divided by 2, you have 1 remainder 0. Then I can bring down 1. So what's my answer? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 in base 2. Don't forget to like this video. See you in the next class. Thank you.